There is a problem across the Middle East. So let us not touch it. This is you cannot solve it. You have to put refrigeration. We have tried in other company. It was not successful. In this case,
put a geyser there. What we are using in
water cooler.
Winters we are using as a hot water. In summer we are using as a cold water.
Okay. So guys, I want to close this one. Now I have another two node. So with this, we have seen this one. Now we'll go for citric acid and polymer.
Citric acid
is the same
as chlorine MBR. As MBR.
As MBR. ये वाला.
But this is
different types of form.
Different.
No, this pipes is different type. Let's see which type of.
No, let us quickly go for no.
It is also shown as a PD pump, but it should be free discharge because it shall be discharged into the tank.
It says PD pump, but it's different type.
It can be PP pump centrifugal because you are just dosing into the tank.
Okay, the citric tank is equal to the MBR tank, right? Citric oil is citric.
MBR tank.
Yes, it is. MBR. But I have to change the number. Huh? I have to change the tag number, right? Tag number change करना पड़ेगा ना?
Take the number from the end.
Yeah. Okay. So guys, this job is for me. This is the PNID. This same configuration. Yeah, same configuration.